In honor of Pokemon Go World Fest 23, I wanted to print something extra special. So follow along with me as I print and assemble this Master Ball. This Master Ball is designed by Thin Air 3D. He has a whole line of Pokeballs and they are all amazing. Almost all of them use the same standard ring as shown here with the button and latch. The tops and bottoms are pretty well interchangeable, so you can get your range of Pokeball all the way through Master Ball, Great Ball, Ultra Ball, Heavy Ball, and a couple more if I recall correctly. All of them snap together and have great tolerances. Once the button and latch are in place, you snap the bottom on, and then the top I would recommend actually putting the button and decorative pieces on before you snap it into the rings. That way you don't accidentally puncture the walls with the snap-on piece of that Pokeball. You're going to want to brace that from inside. Everything else snaps on perfectly and there's absolutely no worries in the world. Now I love this special finish. This is Fixdry's Coextrusion Filament, and I'm using two different variations. If you like the filament, be sure to click the affiliate link in my description and use discount code Daniel10 to check out. This will get you 10% off your order.